You must have numerous earning streams if you really want to get rich. But the problem arises is in picking up the perfect earning stream. Well, don't worry. I can guarantee you that in the next 9 minutes you will get to know all the 8 best passive income streams that will make you rich. And also at the end you will get to know a shocking income stream that will help you make money without doing any work. So do watch the video till the end. Now let's start. 1. Sell digital products. A digital product shop is a business you may launch with minimum funding, as you won't be spending money on purchasing, storing, or delivering tangible goods. Selling digital goods is a terrific way to generate passive income, since they may be produced infinitely many times over the course of many years. Consider guides, ebooks, templates, and digital kits that can be downloaded. 2. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market yields income, which is likely the most well-known kind of passive income. It's a powerful technique to create enduring riches with little work, while occasionally being hazardous and frightening. This passive income plan is a means of earning money over the long term, but keep in mind that equities and the stock market are continuously in fluctuations. You should aim to gradually increase your investments over the course of 1 year, rather than approaching this with the intention of becoming wealthy in just 1 month. But don't worry, once you make a proper investment portfolio, you will automatically earn a lot of money without doing anything. If you want tips on stock market or guides or stock market investing, then do comment below. Also, if you want the best stock suggestions, add a comment. 3. Buy rental properties. One of the best methods to generate passive income is to buy and rent out real estate. In reality, some people rely solely on their rental income. Consider 32-year-old Michael Albaum, who earns $431,000 annually from his 61 rental properties. He only purchases properties that a management firm can operate without his involvement, and he only purchases houses in areas where rent is greater than monthly mortgage payments. He only purchases real estate when it is obvious that it will be relatively simple to outsource the operation of through a management firm in order to ensure that he doesn't have to work hard. 4. Rent out space. If you don't have the funds to make investments in rental homes, you may still rent out a section of your own house, whether it's a driveway, a spare bedroom, or a backyard shed. People with extra space would benefit greatly from this low-effort home-based business concept. To connect with clients, there are several internet channels available. For example, PeerSpace allows you to rent out your driveway, garage, basement, or shed. You may avoid doing a lot of marketing by renting space through these kinds of networks. If you want more earning tricks, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 5. Sell online courses. Do you enjoy passing on information to others, or do you have a specialty you'd like to share? Once you've built up your customer base, you may sell online courses and earn additional passive money. Your website or online learning marketplaces like Udemy or Masterclass are 2 areas where you may sell your online courses. 6. Run a print-on-demand store. Another internet business concept that you can establish from your own residence with no capital outlay is print-on-demand. Developing a design, printing it on a product like a t-shirt or mug, and starting to sell are all of the steps required. As soon as you have a design concept, collaborate with a printing-on-demand company to manage the stock and sell through your e-commerce website. Look for ideas while building your own website by visiting some online shops for handcrafted products. 7. Start a dropshipping business. An example of a retail firm that uses dropshipping is one in which the retailer operates as a go-between for a supplier and a client. In order to operate this business, you don't require a real store or warehouse. You may collaborate with vendors who produce the goods and deliver them straight to consumers. Make the purchase request sent automatically to the supplier, who manages the fulfillment process, whenever a customer places an order on your website or web page. You will not have to spend money on inventory or take care of a supply chain because of this, which will enable you to provide a broad range of goods. Wayfair use a similar procedure. Dropshipping offers extremely minimal financial risk, whereas establishing a business usually involves an upfront investment. Whenever a consumer makes a purchase, you simply need to pay your provider. When the costs of the goods and the supplier are taken into account, the majority of dropshippers make a profit of 20 to 30% of the final sale price. 8. Become an affiliate marketer. When someone clicks on a link to a product and makes a purchase, affiliate marketers receive something in return. Anyone may start off quickly by participating in affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, or ShareASale. What sort of income should you anticipate? Over $20,000 is the average yearly income of affiliate marketers, or around 81%. However, some individuals rely on affiliate marketing for their livelihood. Among his primary sources of income, Adrian Brambilla lists affiliate marketing. He included affiliate links on his blog, social media profiles, and newsletter in 2022, which helped him create $750,000 from affiliate marketing alone. 9. Sell stock photos. If you have a knack for photography, you may sell your photographs as royalty-free stock photos. You may license a photo repeatedly for a charge rather than simply selling it once, giving this a successful passive revenue stream. Joining a stock picture agency will also show you that there isn't much actual work to be done. These businesses provide extensive picture collections and take a fee from each transaction. This implies that you won't need to invest time and effort in promoting your photographs, developing your brand, or opening a store. The Shutterstock Contributor Program, the Adobe Stock Contributor Program, and Getty Images are just a few of the most well-known venues to sell images. That's all for today. Now you know all the best passive income streams that will make you rich in 2023. Do let me know in the comments that which one you will start from today. Also, if you are new to our channel, then please hit the subscribe button and also press the like button. One like and subscribe motivates us to make more amazing financial videos. Also, let me know in the comments that which video you want next. We will try to make the video on your requirement. Share this video with as many friends as you can. Thank you for watching the video till here.